Romwelle Semi-Chemical Pulp and Fluting Paper Mill is located in Drobeta Tunu Severin city, which is in the southwest of Romania, near the Danube River. It was built here in order to turn to account the timber of species such as beech, hornbeam, poplar and willow, found in the counties of Mehedinți, Severin, Gorj, Dolj and Olt. The wood is 50% harvested by our own Romwelle teams and transported by our own means. Both Romwelle PM and the harvesting teams are Forest Stewardship Council certified. The timber is then supplied to the company only by special trucks. The logs that enter the company are selected according to quality and species and follow some technological processing stages such as splitting, cutting to length of about 2 meters, debarking, chipping, stockpiling or silage. Transport to the semi-chemical pulp mill is made by means of conveyor belts operated by frequency converters. The resulting bark, as well as the wood chips, are processed in line by a shredder in order to be suitable for feeding the biomass steam boiler. The mill has a capacity of 60,000 tons per year of semi-chemical pulp at neutral sodium sulfide carbonate method of scaling. Between 2012 and 2015, the mill was completely modernized by installing new tanks and agitators, new pumps and Andritz Siemens engines, Eaton 6 kV and 0.4 kV stations, Emerson field instruments, new pipelines everywhere, semi-chemical pulp washing systems, new types of chemical washers and mezzo-perforated drum presses, Andritz new low consistency refiners, remanufactured high consistency refiners, Emerson Delta V distributed control system equipments for monitoring and controlling the entire technological processes of the mill. Following these modernizations, the mill can function according to the specific energy consumption rules included in making the pulp, and thus the quality characteristics increase by 30% in full control as compared to the previous situation. The quality characteristics of the semi-chemical pulp and the technological parameters of the technological flow are checked in properly equipped labs with specific devices. The pulp and paper mill is connected to a modern installation that produces neutral sodium sulfide, where the whole technological process is run by means of adequate PLCs. The semi-chemical fluting paper can be said to be made by a modern paper machine following the new investments carried out between 2012 and 2014. Thus, the paper machine was endowed with stainless steel and titanium tanks, mounted with new agitators, new Andritz pumps and Siemens engines, new pipeline connections, Emerson field instruments, an Algos installation for recovering 150 cubic meters per hour of fiber from white waters, a new Belma filter for pulp thickening, frequency converters for running the pumps and the main equipments, while the whole process is checked and run by an Emerson Delta V distribution control system. At the same time, the paper machine was also equipped with a new Siemens AC driving system, a hydraulic head box, a quality distribution system for ABB for machine direction interconnected with a Tasha wheel system for controlling cross direction, a new Eaton power station of 6 kilowatts and one of 0.4 kilovolts per hour, a new hood, the heat recovering system was renovated. It was also equipped with new Cadent steam power heads and drain for condense, new Emerson field instrument, while the paper machine winder has a new Siemens driving system in AC. The cutting system was modernized too. The drawing rollers and the roller press were reconditioned. A new soft from Siemens was implemented for running the cutting and winding operations, and also the exhaust reels. The manufactured paper is permanently controlled in laboratories equipped with the latest devices, guaranteeing its physical and mechanical parameters to the customers. Due to all these changes, the mill was able to obtain a quality paper comparable to the big producers of semi-chemical fluting paper in terms of quality and energy efficiency. Most of these investments were made within 3 programs of energy efficiency called ROSEF, which included 14 measures to reduce energy consumption. These measures have been verified and validated by national and international verifiers and approved by Bird of London. In developing the energy efficiency measures, we cooperated with a consultant called Tractebel in Bucharest, which is authorized by Bird London, and Transylvania Bank, which is our crediting bank. Following the implemented measures, energy consumption was significantly reduced to 25% for electricity, 20% for thermal energy, while the emissions of carbon dioxide were reduced by 75%.